Solve the equation. Decide whether the equation is a conditional equation, an identity, or a contradiction. 3x minus the quantity 2 minus x plus 4x plus 2 equals 8x plus 3. We begin by distributing the negative 1 into the parentheses. So we have 3x minus 2 plus x plus 4x plus 2 equals 8x plus 3. On the left-hand side, we combine the x's. 3x plus x is 4x, 4x plus 4x is 8x. Now we combine the constant terms. Negative 2 plus 2 sums to 0. 8x plus 0 equals 8x plus 3. At this point, you may already realize what's going on. If you don't, the next step would be to subtract 8x from each side so that we can get the x's together. In doing so, on the left-hand side, we have 0, and on the right-hand side, we have 3. Of course, this is a false statement. The solution set is the null set. It is a contradiction. You could have seen that it was a contradiction up here where you had 8x equals 8x plus 3. Obviously, that can't be true. 8x by itself cannot be equal to 8x plus 3. The result is still, it's a contradiction.